Currently 5 a.m. We're gonna go to the top of a volcano to watch the sunrise, and then I'm gonna go to some hot springs. This is our new Airbnb, by the way. Alright, let's go.
I have so many sofa.
We're at our first stop, AKASA Cafe. Gotta check out this view. So this is our seat. We just ordered some breakfast while looking at the view. We just had our breakfast, finishing up at this cafe. We're going to go to another cafe after this with another good view. This is the second location, second cafe, Montana del Rey.
How is it though?
That was awesome. Next location is Hot Springs. Let's go.
Your budget and your hotel location it's come from.
I'm bringing all my whole bag. We're at Batur Hot Springs, so we're gonna maybe go for a swim.
I'm sorry about the...
Oh, it's okay. Unfortunately, no swimming for me because I didn't bring any change. But there's a nice bar here and a nice view. Thank you. Third location of the day. We're at a village called that. I can't pronounce it.
Penglipuran village. We're gonna walk through the bamboo forest as well.
Bunch of cool buildings, bunch of cool things to see. Keen. Let's do it. So this is like a massive temple with some shops and some restaurants. We're gonna go to Cafe Kubun for a little rest. We're currently at the Bamboo Cafe getting some lunch. This is our lunch for today.
It's really yummy.
That was a good lunch. Good
Now
place to visit. Now I think we're gonna head home before it starts raining.
or we might go to Ubud Markets first if it
Yeah.
doesn't rain, and then we'll head home.
All depends on the rain.
Yep.
See you in the next location. We're in central Ubud. There's a lot of shopping, a lot of restaurants, a lot of cafes here. We're just gonna walk around, see if we find anything we like. First purchase, some sunglasses. I think I overpaid, but it's all good. Let's keep looking. A lot of traffic in Ubud. So my battery died again. I really need to get a second battery. Anyway, it was a good day. See you again tomorrow.